In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft Family features. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the search bar right over here, whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And then all we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and just look up Task Manager just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and press on Open. Then we should see something that looks like this. But if you never used Task Manager before, then you might get something that does look like this. So all you need to do is you need to press on this option that does say more details. And then it is going to give you something that looks like this. And all we need to do is we need to go to the top menu right over here and select on the option that does say services. So once we're over here, the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down until we see a file that starts with the letters WPC. So in order to do this, we need to go ahead and scroll down. Since this list is in alphabetical order, we need to go ahead and just keep on scrolling down until we get to the W section. And it should be somewhere around here. Yep, okay, here it is, WPC, and then it's MONSVC right over here. And it should say parental controls in the description as well. Anyways, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on that option. Then you want to make sure that you do press over here where it does say stop in order to stop this from actually, running. All right, so once you went ahead and press on stop, next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and press on this option that does say open services, and then you will get something that looks like this. Next up, we need to go ahead and look for a name that does say parental control. So we need to go ahead and scroll down all the way until we get to the P section, and it should be right over here. Once again, this list is in alphabetical order, so you will need to scroll down a little bit. Alright guys, then you should find parental controls right over here, and all we're going to be doing now is we're going to go ahead and right click on it. Then we're going to go ahead and select on properties. Then where it says startup type, you want to go ahead and change it from manual to disabled, and this will basically prevent it from ever opening up or anything like that. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and press on apply. Then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and press on cancel, close out of the task manager, and just like that, you have now disabled Microsoft Family features. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.